How to integrate TeamGantt with Slack. Want to manage projects without leaving Slack? Let's integrate TeamGantt with Slack in just a few steps. So first go to Slack's app directory. So you'll basically find that under the tools section. So from here, head over to apps and then go ahead and look for TeamGantt. Click on this and then go ahead and install it. Now, after that, you need to authorize connection. Choose the Slack workspace you want to connect, grant permissions so TeamGantt can post updates, and allow slash commands. Now, you can create tasks directly for slash commands like slash tgnew. You can also view project updates, reply to comments, and pull a list of active projects all without leaving Slack. Set your notification preference to control how often you get updates. This way, you'll stay informed without being overwhelmed. And that is how to integrate TeamGantt with Slack.